What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your RHT28D stands on your carpet or hardwood floor. So as you can see, it comes with 2 columns. You also get 2 base plates for the bottom of each stand. And it also comes with 2 different options of top plates for the stand. So we have a smaller option if you plan on mounting smaller speakers to the top of the stand. And you also get a bigger plate if you plan on mounting bigger speakers to the stands. It also comes with all the hardware that you need to put the stands together, along with rubber feet to place the stands on a hardwood floor, or these spikes to place the stands on your carpet. You also get optional foam pads to place on the top plates in case you don't want your speakers scratching the top plates. And it also comes with zip ties and cable management clips that are also optional, so you have a nice organized setup. So the first thing we can do to set up our stands is attach the bottom base plate to the bottom of the stands. So to do that, I'm going to take each column and flip them upside down. So on the bottom of the column, you'll see these holes here, and you'll see that the base plates have these matching holes or punctures that we're gonna match to the holes here on the bottom of the column. You may also see that these punctures here are closed off by some film. So if you want, you can take one of your screws and punch some holes through them to make it easier for when you're setting it up to your column. So I went ahead and punctured some holes here through the film so that it makes it easier to attach to the stand. So I can take my base here and line it up to the holes here on the bottom of the column. So next I'm going to take 4 of these screws and line them up to the holes on the bottom of my base plate. Now from here you can take a drill or a screwdriver to screw the screws into the stand. So after we've done that for the first base plate, we're going to do the exact same thing with the second base plate. So after you've put the base plates onto your stand, you now have the option of what type of feet you want to put at the very bottom of the base. So we have 2 options to choose from. We have the rubber feet, and you'd want to use these if you were planning on placing your stands on hardwood floor. And then we have these spikes here, which would be used if you're planning on putting your stands onto a carpet or a rug. So if you're planning on using these spikes, you're going to take each one and line them up to each screw hole on the corners of your base, like so. And keep in mind, you don't have to screw these all the way in. So for example, if you take your spike and screw it in just once, you'll see that the spike stays on there. And this is an interesting feature because it can help keep your stands level if you're placing it on a carpet or a rug. So you can take these spikes and screw them in all the way, or just enough so that it's nice and even with your floor. And again, if you want to set these stands on a hardwood floor, you're going to be using the rubber feet. So you're just going to take each rubber foot and line up the screw of the foot to the screw holes on the corner of your base plates and line them up just like that, and screw the foot on just like this. So you're just going to continue this process with all of the rubber feet. And whether you're using the rubber feet or the spikes, you're just going to do the exact same thing to match for your second stand here. So now that we've got the base plates attached to each stand, we can go ahead and take care of the top of each stand. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RHT28D stands with your hardwood floor or rug. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.